Time for an update.
Yeah, but I'm off today. You're not supposed to be going after me with that camera.
I have no idea how you're going to work out the challenge that you showed me this morning.
Well, I got it worked out.
Wow.
I'll have you know, you have very little confidence
No,
in me.
that's not the truth.
Here's this beautiful tractor.
Beautiful.
I love this 2601. It's,
So you've mentioned,
you know,
mentioned
like,
a few times.
I really need one of these tractors. Anyway, because we came out with the exhaust extension, which, by the way, I made some more of.
Right.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
People have been calling and people have been emailing, going through the site and telling us that they want these things, but a few of them have said, and I didn't know, that they're tearing the filters, the fuel filters off.
Yeah, that's right.
So
Can you come up with a mod? They said to protect the fuel filter.
So here's the fuel filter. It's plastic and it hangs on one little bolt here.
Okay.
And you know, like when you turn the steering, it comes very close to it. So I came out, I said, well, I'll come out this morning and I got to make a couple of those, or a few more of those extensions for the exhaust.
That's right.
Then I said, I'll have a look at it. Saturday, nice day. I wanted to go on the bike.
You're dedicated.
Well, I got interested.
You did, because it was a challenge.
And anyway,
That's
buddy
what
Dave
happens.
showed up, and when Dave got here, we started to size it all up. Anyway, we came up with a design.
Did you
Do
now?
you want to see the design?
I do.
Well, you made the sticker for it. I'll bring it out to you.
You got the sticker on it?
Come on in, see it. This is all V stuff anyway. There's one step going to Hawaii unpainted because it's going on a
Massey
Ferguson.
That's right.
Randell guards.
That's right.
B2601s.
That's right.
Locks.
Mm-hmm.
Locks are 2601s or guards, right?
Yeah, that's
B,
right.
yeah, okay.
26
And-
cards.
This here,
Oh, it's beautiful.
that's the fuel
Holy
guard.
smokes. I had no idea how you'd do that.
That's the fuel guard.
That is nice.
So, and the way it's designed, it's going to be very, very strong. You know what? I'll tell you what we'll do.
What?
I'm going to install it
And I'll come
and we'll
back
show
and
the
peek.
people because
Yay.
Monday I'm starting production, but I'm only going to do a very limited run of these because my problem that I have here now is we're expanding the shop,
That's right.
but we're a month away from getting in the shop at least.
That's right.
So I'm running out of room to put stock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah, no room to stockpile, so.
I'm only going to, what I'm going to do from now on is I'm going to have short runs of stuff.
That's right. Now see, when people ordered the exhaust extension, they reminded me about the fuel problem,
Yeah.
the fuel guard.
Well,
But
less
if
than
you go to-
24 hours later,
They have
we
it.
have it developed.
But good timing because they can order them and ship them with their,
Yeah, you could combine the
Sauce?
shipping on them.
yeah,
Okay, that's good. So you're basically only paying for one item shipped.
yeah, that's right.
Kind of a no-brainer, isn't it?
Yeah,
You know. So guys, if you want extensions for your exhaust and you
Right.
want a guard, these are going to be shipped probably all of, well, depends on how many orders we get. I'm going to say less than a week away from being shipped. People have asked me online about these extensions. What happens with a snowblower? What happens with this? Folks, when I'm doing a video and I show you how it fits on the machine, it's basically what you see is what you get. When I'm at this, like yesterday, when I did the video and I showed these things hooked up to the exhaust, it was hooked up to the exhaust based on the fact that that never had a snowblower or it never had a plow.
that's right.
It's it. There's no mod that I can make that will work for every implement for that tractor.
That's right.
It's just not feasible. Now, if that tractor came in with a snowblower on it, I could make that work
Yeah.
with that snowblower.
That's right.
But right now, those extensions are only good for a B2601 that don't have an FEL or do have an FEL, but it don't include a plow and it don't include a snowblower.
Just saying.
Just saying. I could make a custom stack and it could be a beautiful stack, but I'm not going at it because nobody will pay the money.
You.
It's just too expensive. As a matter of fact, I don't want everybody getting mad now, I'm probably not going to stay at the B models much longer.
Yeah, we were talking about that.
Because the B models don't have the following as the BX models.
True.
You know, when we make a BX mod, we can spend weeks and weeks and weeks
building
them.
up.
But the B models, they're so slow. They're, you know, people. I don't know if it's because people don't know that we're selling them, or people don't have a lot of them.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
But
we're noticing the difference.
But from a business point of view, it don't make sense to stay at the B models.
No, it doesn't.
So
That was my suggestion too.
Yeah, well, grab it while you can, because we're not going to be at the B models much longer. Because we're not halfway through on the BX mods.
Oh, you wouldn't believe it. You know the mods that people are waiting for.
And I can't get at them, so this is kind of a sideline distraction. Now, we love the tractor.
Yes, we do.
But from a business point of view, it's not that lucrative to stay at it. To design this took me half the morning.
Yeah.
And you might sell 10.
Yeah, that's right.
So this one will determine how long we stay at the Bs.
Yes.
You know, but it's not looking good for the bees. So, well, the bees come to an end of its cycle anyway, because I got another 30 mods I could do on it, but if the sales aren't there, there's no point in doing them.
No.
So, but with that, let's get this installed on the tractor, and we'll come back and we'll show. So this is kind of like a show and tell, and show you where we're to with the B models.
Exactly.
You know, and we let people see the business point of view. Yeah?
Exactly.
So,
The business end of it.
let's get this installed and see what it looks like.
Now that is awesome.
Looks good, eh?
Yeah, sure does.
Yeah. Hang on now. Gotta put some stuff away.
Ooh,
It's
yeah.
away.
It's away.
Boy, getting windy. Okay, so it's done.
Good.
There's the guard, folks.
Wow.
Now, how it's designed, it's bolted on here. It's also tucked down and under here,
Yeah.
so that if anything hits it, it still can't get to it. Now, I mean, if you run over a 20-ton rock and it hits, I mean, you know.
Well, hopefully
But then
it
again,
won't.
you're going to tear that off too, right?
Yeah, that's right.
But I mean, look, you know, it's
Solid.
it's well protected now, and you still can get in and take off your filter.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can still look in and see if it's dirty.
That's right.
You know, it is what it is, right? But it's certainly a lot more protection with that than without it.
Got that right.
And what I like about it is I took into consideration about the steering. So we'll just turn her this way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness, yes. A lot of clearance.
A lot of clearance, but even if it comes up on a bump, still lots of clearance. You can look down here, look.
You go on the other side over here?
See?
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
the
for
closest
sure.
that'll ever get to that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so.
So it's, with regards to a guard, I don't know if there's any on the market. I have no idea, but there is one now.
That's right. That
So
is. Yeah,
it's,
that's a good job.
well, it don't look too intrusive.
No, do not.
Looks like part of it.
Got that right. It
Got to
does.
make a few fancy bends to get it all to work, because there's a lot more going on there than the average person sees.
Exactly.
It's you know, bend. Then you got to knock stuff out because there's hoses in on the side. But it's done. I must say, it's done well.
Oh, yeah.
It's done how I would want to do it to my tractor.
Exactly. It
Kind
is.
of hope this is going to be my tractor.
Well,
You know.
keep hoping.
So anyway, folks, there it is. For the guys that got a B2601, there it is. I don't know if it's going to fit any other B model. I have no idea.
No.
Everybody always emails and says, will it fit? Will it fit? I don't know. All I know is it fits this model.
That's right. If they can compare and figure it out.
It's up to them. But it's no good emailing us or calling us asking us, will it fit this other model? 'Cause we really don't know.
No.
You know, we're basing our designs on what we have here by the door.
That's right.
So, one thing about it, when we get the new shop, we'll be able to take this tractor, put it in the new shop, and not have to be out here by the door.
That's right. Exactly.
All our design equipment and computers and all our CNC stuff, that'll all be there back there. This will be back to an automotive garage.
Exactly.
So it'll be interesting. So thanks for your interest. Again, there's a lag in the videos with regards to the expansion. It's a lot farther ahead than the videos show. But we decided to break the videos up a little bit because 40-minute videos are just too long for people. People don't have the time.
No.
That's what we're hearing. So they like to keep them around the 10-minute mark.
Right.
And that's what we're going to do.
Exactly.
So, thanks for watching. It's Saturday afternoon, and probably too late for me to make a run to Princess Auto. But anyway, we'll do that tomorrow, maybe.
Maybe.
And we'll see you next video, folks. So thanks for your interest. Thanks for watching our videos. And just thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
We do.
And we'll see you in the next video. God bless.